Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. How to get your work result in actual view. This is the single document. I go to window, arrange, new window to get duplicate. Now we have two windows. Then go to window, arrange, two up horizontal or two up vertical. Now I do some work on this window. Maybe I do color correction on eyes. Select brush and mask the area. Then switch to mask mode back. Ctrl L for levels. I do some changes on this. But how the result is in actual view? Yes, you can check it on the right side window at the same time. This is advanced feature of Photoshop.